How are you, Cyril? So we'll come back with new science lesson. Our lesson today will speak about what is in our solar system. Our solar system, we will recognize about solar system objects. Like the main source of energy in our solar system is a star. Powering our solar system is the sun. The sun is the main of life source in our Earth or in all solar system. Composition of the sun. It has hydrogen by 92.1% and helium 7.8%. This is the percentage of helium and hydrogen of all mass of the sun. Oxygen and other elements like oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, neon, iron and silicon, magnesium and sulfur. Its movement, rotation period 25.38 Earth's day. It makes one rotation each 25.38 Earth's day. Earth's day equal what? 24 hours. Named after, it's the name of the sun as ancient. It called at Greek language it was called Helios, and Roman it called Sol. Surface temperature, the surface temperature or the temperature of the surface of the sun equal 5800 Kelvin degree. The core or temperature of the core of the sun equal 15,600,000 Kelvin degree, because this is a fusion reaction. Fusion reactions need more energy to start, because H2 hydrogen will combine with each other or will fuse with each other to make one helium atoms. Age of the Earth equal 4.6 billion years old. Contains 99.8% of the mass of the solar system. The most mass of the solar system is concentrated in the sun. Like the atomic model, the most mass of the atoms concentrated in the nucleus. This is the solar system parts. Start from the sun. This is sun. You can compare between the mass of the sun and the mass of other parts of solar system. We said the most of mass of solar system is concentrated inside the sun. The first planet, it's called Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and we have 2 or 3 parts. We call it after that dwarf planets. We change or mark it by another color to mark them: Ceres and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and 2003 UP13. This is dwarf planet, but planets, the most fixed planets, or it's 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Neptune also. The biggest one from this size is Jupiter. This is the 5th one. After that, Saturn, but Earth is the 3rd one. The most closer to the sun is Mercury. After that, Venus. We will recognize about each one in details after that. At first, we must know what's the meaning of astronomical unit. Astronomical unit, we short it as AU. An astronomical unit, AU for short, is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, which equals 149,597,807 kilometers. This is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, and we call it astronomical unit or AU. The first planet is called Mercury. AUS from the sun equal astronomical unit, the distance between Mercury and the sun, by astronomical units, it's less than 1 because it's the nearest planet to the sun. So equal 0.38 astronomical unit. Temperature range between minus 173 to 427 Celsius. This is the degree of the face of the planet which didn't face the sun or during the night, and this during the day. Named after, it was called in Roman god who was messengers of the gods. Mercury heavily created. Another information, atmosphere composition, its atmosphere, helium 24%, sodium 24%, oxygen is 15%. Length of a day 58.7 Earth day. It's very long day. Length of year equal 87.96 Earth day. Of moons, number of moons, no moons. Rings, no rings. Thank you and goodbye with the next lesson.